Is that correct?
No, sir, I'm not.
And as far as Mr. Vargas's child support, it was set at the minimum wage previously. Although he is employed, based on his income.
Enjoy the video, hit the like button.
Please unmute and start your video. Thank you. All right.
Ernesto Vargas as well is the bio father.
Vargas, and let's
there he
unmute
is.
and start the video, please. Mr. Vargas. And then just unmute, sir. Okay. This is 30 and 40 on the docket. Original petition, paternity action filed by the state. Would the parties please raise their right hands? You do solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
I do.
All right, you both can put your hands down. Starting with Miss Harrison. Ma'am, would you please state your first and last name for the record and your relationship to the child or children subject to this case?
Helen Harrison, and I'm the great-grandmother on the mother's side.
Okay, thank you. And sir, your first and last name and your relationship to the child or children on the case.
Ernesto Vargas, and I'm the child's father.
And counsel for the state.
Gabriel Artiaga with the Office of Attorney General.
There's a temp order in place from October the 3rd, 2025. This case was set for a final hearing today. Miss Alexis Stockdale, she failed to appear for the temp orders hearing as well. And she has not filed an answer to the state's lawsuit. And she was served with the state's pleadings on November the 16th, 2024 in Dallas, Texas. Her return has been on file since November the 18th, 2024. And she stands in default. And counsel for the state, you may proceed with your proposed default.
Thank you, Judge. The state will call Miss Helen Harrison. Ma'am, you understand that we're finalizing the temporary order from October today, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, with respect to Miss Stockdale, it is my understanding that she was released from incarceration from TDCJ, but that then she promptly got into trouble, was maybe out for 3 days, and then is now currently incarcerated in Dallas County. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So with the information that I have, I'm proposing basically to finalize that temporary order as is. Ms. Stockdale wasn't ordered to pay child support because she was incarcerated then, and she'll continue to not have child support because she's still currently incarcerated, right?
Yes, sir.
And you're okay with that, correct?
Yes, sir.
As far as the retroactive support, you're not requesting any sort of retroactive support, either from Ms. Stockdale or from Mr. Vargas, is that correct?
No, sir, I'm not.
And as far as Mr. Vargas's child support, it was set at the minimum wage previously. Although he is employed, based on his income, the state's not asking to modify his child support at this time. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, sir.
And you understand it's because although he is employed, his total income is
Right.
barely more than minimum wage at this point, right? And you're okay with your contact information appearing in the order today, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll pass the witness and call Mr. Vargas. So you were incarcerated from what time frame?
Let me rephrase that from February, I'm sorry, 2020, February 2022 until September 9th of 2025. Sorry, I told you 21 earlier. I just thought about that. I'm sorry. I apologize about that.
I got you. That's all right. So you understand we're not asking, and Ms. Harrison is not asking for any sort of retroactive support, correct?
Yes, sir.
And now you said through September of 2025, correct?
Yes, sir.
So when we had this hearing, the temporary order hearing back in October, you hadn't even been out for a full month yet, right?
No, sir, I haven't.
It's my understanding that you're currently employed, is that right?
Yes, sir, I am.
Through the NCP Choices program, right?
Actually, no, actually, I was job searching for them, but yeah.
Right. They helped you find employment.
Yes.
And you're currently making how much?
$11 an hour.
Working how many hours per week?
30, about 30, yeah.
Okay. So I did the calculation. That's maybe $150 or 200 more than what minimum wage would be anyway, right?
Yes, sir.
And you're in agreement with the state's proposal that your child support would stay the same as what was ordered in the temporary order, right?
Yes, sir.
Um, do you have any safety concerns if your contact information appears in the order today?
No, sir, I don't.
Thank you, sir. I'll pass the witness. We're going to ask that court costs be assessed 6 months from today's date for Mr. Vargas, and then split 50-50 with mom, and her half would be to be paid 6 months from release of incarceration.
Default order is granted as proposed. You both will receive a copy of this order via your emails. Thank you both. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You too, ma'am.
All right. Bye-bye.